what if I told you that you only had to make one investment to become rich? Yes, that's right. Make just one investment and it can grow exponentially over time. Well, the magic lies in compound interest. Imagine a snowflake, which represents your initial investment. As it falls, it gathers more snow, symbolizing the interest. But here's the twist. The snowflake doesn't just accumulate snow, it also forms new snowflakes, representing reinvested dividends. These new snowflakes follow the same pattern, growing and creating even more snowflakes. And so your investment snowball expands. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger with each roll. But what happens when you add dividends into the mix? Well, let's break it down. Dividend reinvestment is like adding fuel to the fire of compound interest. Instead of pocketing your dividends as cash, you plow them back into your investment. This means you're buying more shares, which in turn generate more dividends, creating a virtuous cycle of growth. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that can significantly amplify the growth of your investment over time. Just like the snowball, your investment grows faster and larger the more you reinvest your dividends. So how does this all come together in what we call the dividend snowball effect? Well, imagine a snowball rolling downhill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. Similarly, the dividend snowball effect is about growing your investments. You start with an initial investment, consistently add more, and importantly, reinvest your dividends. Over time, this creates a powerful growth effect, just like that snowball. Remember, the more you reinvest, the bigger the snowball gets. And the bigger the snowball, the greater your returns. Intrigued by the concept of the dividend snowball effect? Imagine harnessing this power in your own investing strategy. Remember, the key here is long-term, consistent investing and reinvestment. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building wealth steadily over time. This is the magic of the dividend snowball effect. So stay patient, persevere, and let your dividends do the heavy lifting. With patience, perseverance, and the power of the dividend snowball effect, your investments can truly grow beyond your wildest dreams.